lovelies, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. So if that is your thing, welcome here and thank you for stopping by. It would be so fantastic if you could give this video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this cool and neutral eyeshadow look for deep set maturing eyes along with more of a soft matte finish for the face. It pairs really nicely together. It's giving kind of like the 90s supermodel makeup look. Just, yeah, it is a good vibe. I am loving the way it turned out, so it would be awesome if you guys would want to hang out and see how I created this look. So if you're into that, then just keep watching. For my foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl Skin Tint Blurring Skin Tint. This has 30 SPF in it. It is a light, soft, matte coverage. I have it in the shade light, medium, warm. I want to have more of a soft matte finish on the skin today as opposed to my typical super duper glowy, bright, well, we like bright, but super dewy glowy look. So we're going to do that. I swear I just heard fire trucks and ambulances going on for like the last 5 minutes driving down one of the main roads, so hopefully everything is okay. But that was going on for some time. Just gonna blend this all out. So what are we thinking of a life of a showgirl? I am going to give you a hot take. Not really a hot take, but like, it's my favorite album. It's my favorite album she's done. It's my just vibe of like poppy, funky, like, I don't know. I'm like, you don't skip a song. I don't skip a song. I just listen to everyone and just vibe out in the car. So it's my favorite. I don't know if it's her best by everyone's standards, but it is my favorite for sure. She is having fun. She is having the time of her life. She is in love. For my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Huss Lab concealer. This is in the shade 23, light medium golden. So we're going to have just a soft look to the skin today. Yeah, she is in love. She is just feeling it. I don't get where people are like, oh yeah, like she's in her 30s just writing about like high school, blah 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 blah. Like, who really grows up? Come on now. Okay, what should she be writing about? I go to my office job every day, I make meatloaf for dinner, and then I bring my kids to their soccer game. Like, really? Like, you need to get mature. We all love. We love that giddy feeling, high school love, all of that fun butterflies. I love hearing all about that. And so people can just go be miserable if they think she should be writing like more mature stuff. Get out of here. In my opinion, be forever young at heart. Have a wise soul, energy, but be forever young at heart. My parents are. And like, it's just, yeah, it's fun, it's happy. We are all have inner children inside, and just like be forever young at heart. Obviously you're gonna go through things in life that are going to wise you up, but I love people that are truly themselves and forever young at heart. Going in for my contour today, I'm going to go back to an oldie but goodie. Haven't used this one in a while. This is my Anastasia Mink Stick Foundation Contour. Stick Foundation Contour? What? Okay. I never read that before. Anywho's, this is what we're going to use for contour today. Just get in some cooler contour. And I'll go down the nose with this one because I I've used it so much, I gave it a nice sharp point. Let's blend it away. I'm going to use two palettes for my eyes today. I'm going to use my Naked 2 Urban Decay Basics palette and my Natasha Denona Glam palette for the cooler neutral. So I'm going to start off with my Urban Decay palette. I'm going to go into the shade Cover right here, which is a nice cooler neutral tone, and just a fluffy brush. And we are going to work up on the brow bone. I'm just going to swirl it around in circular motions and just kind of follow the shape of my eye. So I'm going into the crease and then above the crease as well. You can kind of bring it down towards the nose, but leaving the inner corner area. I'm going to take the shade Crease in the Natasha Denona palette and just another fluffy brush and just kind of mimic what I did there. Just not going up as high and more into the crease and on the lid. I'm going to go back to the Urban Decay palette and go into the shade Frisk right here, which is a nice lighter, cool neutral. And I'm going to go on the lid with this. I'm just sticking to the lid. I'm not going past it. Sometimes I go past the lid with a lighter shade, but this is kind of more of a medium lighter shade, so I just want to keep that inner corner bright, and I don't want to put too much of a cool tone in there either. It's already pretty cool with the shadows. You can just kind of blend that through lightly with the other colors. Now with a smaller pointed fluffy brush, I'm going to go back into Cover, and I'm just going to go under my lower lash line. And just kind of swirl it out on the outer corner. Just going to tight line a little bit with a black eyeliner. I'm going to do the tiniest little wing that'll just kind of serve as like an extra lash on the outer corner of the eye, and this looks really nice with deep set eyes because sometimes, especially with my eyes, like it's uneven the way I do my liner if I'm going to do a wing, and just doing a tiny little, so I'll just kind of stay right on the outside here, just going right up, but like just staying inside the lid, like not going beyond this part of my brow bone, because that kind of just, it creates weird shapes, because this one kind of is shaped differently. So just kind of doing that, and once I put my mascara on, and you can kind of just clean this up after, like I'm doing it pretty quickly and not kind of fixing the outer tip of it, but I'm going to kind of just clean that up with my finger, or you can do it with a Q-tip or whatever, but once you get your mascara on, it'll kind of just serve as an extra lash. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit more bronzer, so I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Island Ting, and this is a matte bronzer. Don't really want to have any kind of shimmer, I just want this look to be more on the matte side. Just gonna pop that up on the cheekbones. And the warmth from this bronzer will pair really nice with the cool tones in the eyeshadow. So I didn't really fix the eyeliner, I kind of just like how it's just there. It doesn't need to be a super sharp point or perfect, because it's just kind of adding thickness to the lash. I added some mascara and it just, yeah, that little line creates that extra lash at the corner, and just that thickens up the lash line and looks really pretty on deep set eyes, and then you don't have like crazy stuff you got to deal with there on the outside. So for my lips, I'm going to line them with my Quo Beauty lip liner stain in the shade Warm Nude. I want my lips to have a warmer look to them with this cool eyeshadow look. I'm gonna add a little bit of a coral type color blush. This is a Sweet Cheeks matte cream powder blush from NYX, and it's in the shade Summer Breeze. So yeah, corals and the warm salmony color, peachy tone, orangey tone look really nice with a cool neutral eyeshadow. I just contoured my lips a little bit with my Quo Beauty lip contour crayon. I think I have this in the shade medium. I'm gonna go in with the Slim Stick 6 Hour Long Lasting Lipstick from Essence in the shade Over the Nude, and just pop that on. I'm gonna bring you guys down to the natural light just to see this outside of the ring light. All right, final look. I really loved the way it turned out. This would be perfect for girls' night out or wedding or whatever, day to day, anything you want to wear it for. I think it is a great matte, cool eyeshadow look for deep set eyes. All right, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.